I want to talk to you today about this sling bag that I just recently purchased to add to my travel gear. So let me explain a little bit about it. So you have this long adjustable strap that you can make it to any size that you need to fit for your body type. So you sling it over, and now you have it nice and sleek, close to your body. So it helps with not being a pickpocketer where you're not having a purse dangle off your arm and you become a real target for a pickpocketer. It will hold my valuables and my essential items that I need for when I'm traveling. This one large pocket here, and this will hold things like your passport and your bifold wallet, zippered section here, and it will hold things like my glasses, fit right in there. And then you have another one, a third one here, that will hold just about anything you need. It's nice and deep. It'll fit right in there. And the thing that I like the most is it has right here this little place right here to put your phone, and then you just snap it shut. At times, maybe you want to wear a jacket over top of it. You can just put a jacket right on, and you really won't be able to see it underneath your jacket. There are a few things about this bag that I'm not particularly fond of. One is I'm left-handed, and this is definitely designed for a right-handed person because you're always using your right hand to get into it. But as a left-handed person, most of us are ambidextrous because we've had to adjust to being in a right-handed world. The other thing is this strap right here, as you can see there, it is not sewn on. And I have had numerous times this just kind of automatically come right off. Now, of course, when I want it to come off, it's not coming off. But it will slip right off, and next thing you know, you'll feel something dangling around your leg, and it is the strap. So those are two of my concerns. This issue is a major concern, so we'll put a black electrical tape or something to hold that right in place and won't allow that to slip right off. But overall, I really like the bag. It's nice and sleek, and it makes me feel far more secure. I can take this and put it in underneath my seat and take my big bulky bag and put it up in the overhead compartment, and I don't have to worry about my valuables being out of my sight. And this just makes me feel a whole lot more comfortable when I'm walking through the airport or something. I carry a backpack at times, and I'm always concerned that someone is going to open that backpack and take my valuables out of the backpack. But I feel very comfortable with this, and I just think it's a nice addition to my travel gear. And that is just my honest opinion.